Alright guys, I have another writing strategy for you. It is called photo starts. So what you'll need to do first is to collect a photograph. So I want to make sure that you ask your family first and you get permission from them, okay? So I have a picture here that I'm going to be using as my example. So the first thing that you want to do is look closely at your photograph, and you want to try to re-experience the moment that it was taken. So I'm looking closely at it. Here, I'll have you guys take a look too. Can you guys tell where we're at? And I want you to think about, looking at your photo, I want you to think about what you see, what you hear, what you smell, how you felt, and so on. And then we can write as you remember it and using as much detail as possible. So I'm gonna go back to my picture. I'll have you guys take another look. Okay, so thinking back, I was at Disneyland with Mr. Carlos and we were on Splash Mountain. And I remember that I did not want to get soaking wet, so we have our hoodies over our faces. I was really afraid of falling out of my seat. So if you look closely, I had Mr. Carlos holding on to me there. And our mouths are open, we were screaming super loud. Okay, so now that you've taken your photograph and you've tried to re-experience it, I wanna go over again what you'll be doing. So you wanna look closely at the picture. What do you remember? And then you're gonna story tell from that moment. So sometimes it's helpful to literally put the picture onto the page, just like this. And then to the side of it, write down how you remember it. You're re-experiencing it for yourself. So I want you to remember that I wasn't there, so whatever your picture is, or whatever it's about, you have to imagine that I'm not there and you have to tell me everything that you remember. I hope you guys have fun with this one. Bye guys.